skip this video because you will learn how to prepare crab suka in just 15 minutes and you will be amazed after that. Hello friends, welcome back to the video. Welcome to our new and fresh video, folks. Yes guys, your boy and your mama is back with another new and fresh recipe. So today we are going to show you how to prepare crab suka in just 15 minutes. Yes, note it down guys. In just 15 minutes we are going to show you how to prepare crab suka. This is really easy and quick recipe. But before that, in Tulu we call this as Denji suka and in Kannada we call this as Edi suka. This recipe has got lot of spices in it and also later it gets indulged with the coconut, which means this recipe will turn out to be creamy and yum. So if you are new to our channel, do hit the subscribe button and do not forget to like and share our video. Yes, do like and share our video with your friends, family members. Also, if you have any suggestions, please let us know in the comment section below. And yeah, I know you folks always message me, get interacted with me in Facebook Messenger, Telegram and everywhere. But right now, go to the comment sections and comment down what you like about this video, and whatever you want you can comment down. If you don't like this video also, that's okay. Just mention what you didn't like in this video. We will try to overcome in our next video. But do not forget to comment down in YouTube, because it helps other viewers who watch our video to know the pros and cons of our video. So without further ado, let's start this video and let's see how to prepare this really yummy and delicious Mangalorean style crab suka in just 15 minutes. Now let's prepare the marination for 500 grams of crab meat. To that add 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and now mix it nice and thoroughly with the help of the spoon. And if you want to add bit of fun, then you can toss it once or twice. There you go guys, it's so satisfying to watch, right? And also all the masala is properly stick to the crab and let it sit for 1 hour. Meanwhile, let's prepare the curry. So place the cooking pot on the stove and to that add adequate amount of oil. So here we are using refined oil. And to that add 2 tablespoons of homemade ghee. And now to that add 1 finely sliced onion and saute it nice and thoroughly till the onions turn slight brown. And to that add handful of curry leaves. This is freshly plucked from the garden. And now fry these curry leaves nice and thoroughly, so that let these curry leaves get properly blended with the onions, so that it releases its aroma. And wow, look at this folks, what an aroma. And now to that add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and fry this ginger garlic paste nice and thoroughly till it get rid of its raw flavor. And now to that add 2 finely chopped tomatoes and fry these tomatoes till it becomes nice and soft. And now to that add marinated crab meat and mix it nice and thoroughly. And now add little bit of water and now give a quick shot of mix. And now put on the lid, let it cook for 5 to 10 minutes. Once it starts bubbling up, add masala. Now let's see how to prepare this hot and spicy masala. Now place a frying pan, add 10 to 12 dry red chilies, 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon of jeera, 10 to 12 black peppercorns, half teaspoon of methi seeds, and now Toss it nice and thoroughly once or twice till it turns nice and brown. And now add these dry roasted spices to the blender, and we need to make a fine grounded powder. And here you go guys, the fine grounded powder is ready. And to this add 1 lemon sized tamarind, 1 cup of freshly grated coconut, half cup of water, and now we need to make a fine grounded masala for the crab meat. And now add this masala to the crab meat and give a quick shot of mix once or twice. Oh boy, this masala is too hot and intense, but it's very aromatic. I can literally feel the warmth of the spices in it. And now there are few steps pending. Let's see what are those. Now squeeze half lime. And now to enhance its beauty, let's add some chopped coriander. And now there you go guys, the yummy and delicious and mouth-watering crab sukka, or what we call AD sukka, is ready to serve hot. Thank you folks for watching our video. I hope you like this recipe, and yeah, if you like this recipe, do try it at home. Enjoy with your family, friends, with your kids, with your boyfriend, girlfriend, whomever you want. You can try this recipe. It's really easy and quick. As you know, you have seen the entire process. If you stay nearby our house, do send us some crab sukka. We would love that as well. So yeah folks, this is Bin Techno and this is Mama Bin Techno signing off from today's video. Until next time, bye bye, see you guys. Take care. Peace out.